Yes, fam. Now that we have seasoned our chicken and leave it inside the refrigerator to be marinated, while that is marinating, I want to show you how we're going to go together now to put together the barbecue sauce. Remember I told you it's Barbie fried chicken wings, okay? So we're going to put together the barbecue sauce to let it get to set and to gel together, and then we're going to make the dry rub, cover them in the meantime that those are marinated. Now I have inside here 3 cups of barbecue sauce, and I've used Heinz and the smoky flavor. I have used a cup of ketchup. Use your ketchup of choice. I am gonna put inside here about a tablespoon of, and I'm using some pimento marinade. Okay, y'all? And the ingredients in this pimento marinade is, it says it's a blend, okay, it has in Geddes pimento seasoning, onion chopped, it has in chopped parsley, garlic cloves chopped, and it has in some thyme. Okay, that's what the ingredient says here. So it's pimento seasonings, pimento seeds smashed, chopped onions, parsley chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, and thyme. Didn't say if they were dry or green. So to this now, we're gonna add some Jamaican Scotch bonnet Walker's Wood hot pepper sauce. Okay, y'all? So we're gonna add in about, because you gotta be careful because it's not everybody can take this spice. So we're gonna add in about like a teaspoon. We're not gonna add in any more. To this, we're gonna add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And to this, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. Might want a little more, not sure. And here we're gonna add 3 tablespoons each of brown sugar, and we're gonna dissolve. And while dissolving, we're gonna see the color of the barbecue sauce, and we'll determine if we want some more soy sauce or if you are using browning. And remember, I told you that browning only gives color, it has no flavor. And look at this color. I think this is perfect because when it goes inside the oven and starts baking, it is gonna get a little browner. Okay, y'all? If you have a little paprika, you can slap in a little, not a lot. Okay? So we're gonna taste for, yes, it has this sweetie, it has this tangy, it has this smoky flavor. Sweet, tangy, and smoky, because we use the smoke flavored barbecue sauce, and we are hoping that this is okay for 5 pounds of wings. Okay, y'all? Now that's out the way, we have used all those. Now we're gonna prepare our dry rub. We have here about 1.5 pounds of all-purpose flour. To this I'm gonna add 2 heaped teaspoons or 2.5 heaped teaspoons of baking powder. And right here I have some barbecue spice, and the ingredients in it is pimento, black pepper, paprika, garlic, onion, salt, and sugar. Okay, y'all? So now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of this. So this here are 1.5 pounds of all-purpose flour and our 3 tablespoons of baking powder. We're gonna mix them together, and then we're gonna taste for salt perfection, because remember we seasoned with a little salt, so we don't want to go too salt. And we are gonna get it incorporate because we want the seasoning to stay there and to get, you know, incorporate it in the flour. So this is gonna be our dry, which when we come back we're gonna dip in, coat with the flour, deep fat fry, and then after that you'll see how we proceed. Okay, y'all?